it all started for me here in Palan, and I used to be a part, and in fact I'm a part of their group even today. And yes, so it's been a great journey, and I've said this, my journey began here, and many of you are probably getting into off-road today, and or just getting into off-roading, and I'm sure capabilities of your vehicle, you are here for a reason. And as he said in the morning, that throttle is not the only thing what you should be relying on, and please listen to instructions of Marshall. And this is all to explore the capabilities of vehicle and also your driving.
We'll start this today's event. We'll have 3 stages. Stage 1 is what you see on your left, right? So there are a set of 5 climbs and 5 drops. The climbs are designated by blue color flags, which are pointed with upward arrows, and the drops are designated with red color flags, designated with down arrows. Now please listen to the marshal who's going to be guiding you, who's going to be spotting you. He is your eyes outside the vehicle. Please trust him blindly. Right? Sitting in the vehicle, you will not be able to see everything around you. The marshal is going to be your eye on the ground. Please listen to him. Please keep your windows down. You have your AC on, but please keep your windows down and please keep your seatbelts on all the time. Basic safety rules.